Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how you can restore the door pillars of your car using a polishing compound. First off, it's important to note that we do not recommend using sandpaper for this job, not even the P2000 grade. Sandpaper can leave the fine scratches and damage the surface, which we want to avoid. Instead, we'll be using a polishing compound, which is much gentler on your car. Polishing can be done by hand, but for the best result we recommend using a polishing sponge and a drill. So you will see the step by step in this video. Also you will see the process with sandpaper, what we don't recommend. Step 1. Clean the door pillars to remove any dirt and dust. Apply a small amount of polishing compound to the sponge. Attach the sponge to the drill and start polishing in circular motion. Continue polishing until you achieve the desired shining smoothness. Polishing tips. Keep the drill at a consistent angle. Don't press too hard to avoid damaging the paint. If you want, you can work in smaller sections for even better polishing. A little conclusion for end. By using the polishing compound and the sponge to drill, your door pillars will look like a new, without the risk of damage that sandpaper can cause. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips.